Ticket finished. Your countdown to freedom starts now. Every extra second the cop lingers is illegal detention. The Supreme Court made it crystal clear. In Rodriguez, once the citation task ends, the stop must end too. Anything after the signature line is unconstitutional fishing. Here's how to weaponize that ruling in real life. The instant the paper touches your hand, glance at the dash clock. Tap your phone's voice memo app so it stamps the hour and minute. Look the officer in the eye and say, "Officer, am I free to go?" If he starts small talk or rummages for new questions, the timer is your evidence. Now watch it go wrong for someone who didn't know.
The Marine Corps sticker, I appreciate your service. I was in the military also, but you can't have those stickers on your tag, okay? It's against the statute. Wilkie, I lost my tag. I was in a wrestling match with somebody and my tag broke off. Wilkie, 3099 if you need that. I'm also recording you.
You're a Wilkie.
Yes, sir. You know any Wilkies?
That was barely 2 minutes, yet the court says even 8 extra minutes wiped out a felony meth case. Imagine erasing your own ticket pile with nothing but a clock. Tip 1. Everything unrelated to the traffic mission must fit inside the original stop. Dog sniffs, casual, "Where you headed?" or "Mind if I peek?" all have to happen before the citation is complete. If they drag on afterward, every answer and every discovery becomes poison fruit. But what about the passenger riding shotgun? Here's the secret most lawyers forget. In Brendlin v. California, the Supreme Court ruled that passengers are also seized during a traffic stop. That means they hold Fourth Amendment power to challenge the entire encounter, and they may walk away unless ordered to stay. Unless the officer clearly says, "Passenger, remain in the car," you can unbuckle, open the door, and step onto the shoulder. Keep your phone rolling to prove you're exercising a right the High Court already stamped. Here's a real-world freeze frame.
From the beginning, all right? So I want you to start from the starting position. Ma'am, I need you to come to the back of the car. Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car.
I'll show you.
We are on a highway. No, I need you to stay in the car. We're on a highway, okay? Miss, come on.
Now the officer wakes up and shouts, "Stay in the car." That changes everything, so we cut before the chase. Point made. The move is lawful until a direct order drops. Tip 2. Announce your decision on camera. Say, "I choose to exit as I am not detained. If you order me to stay, please state the lawful basis." This forces the officer to commit on video. Either he lets you leave or he articulates a real detention reason that can be cross-examined later. Combine both rulings and you get a two-front defense. Driver runs the Rodriguez stopwatch. Passenger exercises the Brendlin walkaway. Suddenly, the officer's margin for error shrinks to seconds, and any extension shows up on your time-stamped recording. Learning real Supreme Court ammo. Smash subscribe right now, so Everyday Rights stays ad-free and algorithm alive. Let's drill deeper into the cases the cops hope you never quote. In Rodriguez, a Nebraska trooper finished a warning for a lane drift, then held the driver 8 extra minutes to wait for a canine. The High Court threw out the meth it found because the delay had no traffic safety purpose. 8 minutes, gone. Case dismissed. Brendlin flipped the script for everybody riding along. A deputy stopped a car for expired tags, found drugs on the passenger, and tried to claim the passenger had no standing to object. The court said no. When red lights hit, everyone inside is seized. Prosecution lost the evidence. Passenger walked. Still unsure? Memorize this 3-step script. 1. Start the timer the moment the ticket is handed over. 2. Ask, "Am I free to go?" 3. If yes, leave. If no, passenger exits or the camera rolls nonstop. Bonus tech tip. Keep a voice memo recording throughout the stop. The timestamp syncs perfectly with dash cam metadata, giving judges a second-by-second comparison that cops can't rewrite. Your phone becomes a precision legal chronograph. Share this checklist before another friend sits through a roadside fishing expedition. Every view is another driver snapping the stopwatch on police overreach. Everyday rights, always one move ahead of the badge. Subscribe now and take back the wheel.